Ma'am, you can check.
Good morning, everyone. Scaling is not done.
Oh yeah.
Ma'am,
Okay, I'm
what
going
are
to.
we going to do today?
Yesterday's revision we need to complete.
Okay, ma'am.
And tomorrow is your CET of chapter number 12, Smart Charts.
I'm finished your question number 2. Yes, ma'am.
One is done by everyone, online students. Make a bar graph to show the following information regarding the number of children who played cricket on 5 days of a week. So the small number here is 8 and the greater number is 16. Either you can take the table of 2.
Ma'am, do we have to write this?
Write the table and start making the graphs. No need to write the question part.
Okay, ma'am.
ये not one block, two blocks are used. यहाँ आपने one ही लिया है, but again you are following the two. So your first answer should be on two after two blocks. So this all will change.
Oh yeah. I cannot do this. But
Ma'am, you are stuck. Ma'am, you are hanged.
Then again, if you do the numbers, your this will change.
Ma'am, you are hanged. Stuck.
You can see.
Ma'am,
Second
can't
question
hear
you need
you.
to draw the bar.
No, ma'am, we
Do
can't
this
hear
again.
you.
Then
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
do the fifth graph. Online students, are you able to see this?
Ma'am,
Of this,
no.
Yes, ma'am, we just see the presentation and now you also.
Yes,
audible?
ma'am, we can see everything. Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Anushka, am I audible
Ma'am, can't hear you.
now?
Yeah, ma'am,
Yes,
now you're
ma'am,
audible.
your
Yeah,
voice
yeah, ma'am.
is
Yeah,
breaking.
now it's clear.
And your presentation is blurred. Ma'am, can I show you my yesterday's work?
Then leave 2 blocks, then the 4 will come, then leave 2 blocks, the 6 will come. Fifth B.
Ma'am, can I show you my yesterday's work?
First complete this, then I will see.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, done. Renu, ma'am.
Speak.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, Anushka has done. Let me pin Anushka. Very good, Anushka. Okay. Anushka, put the scaling also.
But ma'am, I put the scaling.
Scaling is done.
Yeah, ma'am.
Mention the scaling that one block equals to two students.
But ma'am,
Mention it also.
yeah.
2, 4, 6, 8 should be here, 10 should be here. But it should be neat, है ना?
Yeah, I'm doing it.
And where the 12 is coming, so it should extend till here. ये 2. नहीं बेटा, here will be the 4. Then 2 blocks here will be the 6. So first neatly.
Can you show us the question? Ma'am, where now I erased?
Grade 5. Grade 5B. First of all, you should make from here. You are leaving 2 blocks here, then you are leaving one block. ये भी गलत है. यहाँ से बनाओ. Extend it. 0 to 2. If you are taking 2 blocks equals to 2 students, then 4. Wait a minute. Then 6 will be here. Then 8 will be here. Then 10 will be here. 12 will be here. 14 will be here. And the 16 will be here. अब बना लो के पास अपने सारे पास erase करो and make it. Any doubt to any child, online student? Any doubt? Lot of voices coming, Dhyan Dalan.
Table fatigue.
Dhyan, mute yourself. Araman, mute yourself, please. Now I am giving you the third question. The marks obtained by Sam in an examination are given below. You can't see the third. Achha.
You have to press that same button. Freeze. And now let it freeze one more time.
Ma'am, could you do the first one? I didn't complete it.
Yeah.
Ma'am, could you do the first one? I didn't complete it.
Yeah.
What happened?
I couldn't complete the first one. I did.
What? First one you have not completed. First one. So do the second and third. I will send this worksheet in the classroom.
Okay.
Do second and third.
Could you do a little bit up so I can relate your question?
Ma'am, it was Vikas' birthday yesterday.
My dear students, those who have not completed yet, do second, start from second and third now. 12. Then the Tuesday will be Monday here. Tuesday will be 16. Wednesday will be 10. 14. And this is Friday will be 8. Yes. Now mention this. These are the number of days. These are the number of students. What is the topic, title of this, and what is the scaling? That 2 blocks is equal to 2 students. This is the pictograph till now. It is pictograph. Where is the 2 question? Where is the 3rd question? Please do. Wrong. This is wrong. Untidy bar graph. You will not get even a 1 number. X-axis, Y-axis, number of children, write in a 1 line. Not like this in a, wait a minute, I'll check it. And key is 1 block equals to 1. 2. Write 2 properly. 12. And here we not mention key, it's a scale. Erase it and do it. Until now you don't have in the graph notebook. Yes, now you're taking paper from here and there. Till now you have not your own graph notebook, not checked yet. Any. But it is compulsory to find out the degrees. For pie chart, tomorrow also bring the rounder and the protractor. The red pen is having anyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Get it checked. Wait, online students, you all are doing? Please respond. Rudra Jajadia, Jan Dalal, Anushka, are you all completing your work?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. No. Title. Scaling. It's not 1 block. You have taken 2 block equals to 2 students. Get it checked by your work, please bring it. For tomorrow, please be ready that you need to make a graph also, pie graph also, so you need to increase your speed. Your CT should complete within the 40 minutes of time period. No extra time. 3 to 4 questions will be there. Not labeling, and this is not the title. Title should be short and sweet. Scaling is not there. That your 1 block equals to 1 person or 1 student. Was that scaling you need to mention? Labeling or y-axis and the x-axis. This is not labeling. Labeling is these are what you are showing here. These are the days. Number of days, number of persons. That. Karnav, your whole period will go like this only. Karnav, Gunnav, Dhyan Shile, Daksh Patel, Lakshya, nothing. They are showing. Jahan Agarwal, Rudra Master. Yes? No, rough work, yes. How you find out the degrees? Hmm. Yes. No, where is the graph notebook first of all? Got it, taking rest. Will not accept it in this. This is not the first day, beta. It is almost the chapter is over.
Ma'am, is this pie chart right?
Show me. Wait, I'm going to pin you first. Have you found it the degrees? Jandalan?
Yes.
Okay, what is the degree for the first one?
No, ma'am, I have not found the
मेरी
degree yet.
ऑनलाइन क्लास में नहीं उसके बाद just a minute ध्यान let me find out the degrees. Okay, ध्यान wait a minute, let me first find the answer and then I'll check your work. What is your total coming, Dhyan?
And ma'am, I'm doing the total.
Yeah, first tell me the total because first you should know the total number of students or the marks, total marks later on. By the time you do the other sums, do the other sums. Take your notebook. What is your, Nishika, what is your total? 440 or the 540?
Ma'am, my bar graph. Ma'am, see my bar graph. Ma'am, see mine. Ma'am, the total is 540.
What is your total, Yash? Bar graph you are showing me.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, right.
Ma'am, the total is 540.
540, yes. And your degrees are, wait a minute, let me find the degrees also. No talking, please. So what is your Dhyan Dalal degree for the first one?
Ma'am, I'm figuring it out.
Who will tell me the degrees for the first one? Anyone? Tell me. 40 degrees for the first one. 105 divided by 540 multiplied by 360. 540 is the total. need to find out. No. Go. Please. Dhyan, you have done?
Ma'am, is the degree 19?
Yes.
Is the degree 19?
90 degree, no. 105 divided by 450 multiplied by 360. Is there any child who completed and find out the degrees?
I'm 70. Ma'am, 70.
70 degree.
Yes.
Check again. Children, tomorrow also sure the pie chart will come. And if you're not aware how to find the degrees, your sum will be wrong. You don't know how to find the total. Find out and then ask. Yes. Yes. No.
Ma'am, 157. Ma'am, 157.
1.
157. 157.
Wait a minute, let me find.
One 57.5.
105 divided by 105 divided by 540 multiplied by 360 is 70 degree.
Ma'am, I had told 70 degree.
Got it, Dhyan? It's 70 degree. And now you need to find out for the others. Rudra Jajaria, you have given me the 70 degrees now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, yours is right.
Ma'am, 50 degree. Ma'am, for French, 50 degree.
So it's 105 divided by 545. 525. So I wrote that because that was the closest. So my derivative was 14. Then I multiplied the question with this. My answer was 8.
You need to divide with the decimal also. Because that's the reason I
Ma'am, your voice is cracking.
divided by 540.
Answer is 5. Remaining 15. What are we doing with it? 40.
And it is 525. So remainder is 15. Put the decimal here. When you put the decimal here, the 0 will come here. It will become 140, 50. This is the way you have learned the decimal division. Na? यहाँ decimal लग जाता है, here 0. Now again 1s are 105. Keep on dividing like this. Or if you don't know in this way, 105 divided by 540 multiplied by 360. 0 cancel, right?
Yes, ma'am.
This is 4, this is 6, which is coming in the table of 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Both are even numbers. 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. 2 2s are 4. 1 will go, 2 7s are 14.
It's easier this way.
This one is easier or this one is easier?
Ma'am, this one.
Yeah, this one is easier. Lowest term. Now don't do. Nahi ho raha hai. Or you can do. Now these two both are coming in the table of 3. Yes. 3 6 are 18. 3 9s are 27. Again they are coming in the table of 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. Now 105 and multiply by 2 because both are numerators. So when 105 multiply by 2 is 110 and divided by 3. When you divide it by 3,
Ma'am, 210.
210 divided by 3. When you find out 3 7s are 21. And 0 will come down, so the 0 will go up because it's not. तो आप ऐसे लोएस्ट टर्म में करो. Otherwise, if you want to do in this way, keep on. You need to put the do it in with the form of a lowest term, or put the decimal and keep on writing the 0 and keep on dividing. Now, when you subtract 10 minus 5 is 5, 40. Again, put the 0 here. आप कुछ नहीं लगेगा. When one time decimal comes, we keep on putting the 0, keep on dividing. 105 either 450.
428.
How many times?
470.
Then again the 30 minus करेंगे. Again put the 0 and again divide it.
Okay, ma'am. Can you show from the lowest down?
105 divided by 360. This 0 gives now 36 and 54 here. In the cross we can cancel because numerator and denominator we can cross them side. Lowest term. This both are even numbers. This is 4. Both are even numbers. So they are coming in the table of 2. 2 1s are 2. 1 will go here 16. 2 8s are 16. 2 2s are 4. 1 will go here 14. 2 7s are 14. Now here is 18 and here is
1 second. Ma'am, I didn't understand how you put here and it became 15.
2 2s are 4.
Yeah.
1 is remaining, which will 1 will go here, become the 14. Right?
Yeah.
Because when you divide 54 with 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 will be remainder, and this 2 7s are 14. 27. Now these both are coming in the table of 3. 3 6 are 18. 3 tell me 9s are 27. Again this 6 and 9 is coming in the table of 3. 3 3s are 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. Now they both are not, because they both are different numbers and not coming in any of the table. Right? So down, this is numerator, this is numerator, will multiply. 105 multiply by 2. 210. And this is 3, here is nothing, 1. 3 1s are 3. When you divide this and find the answer, it will come 70. Children, any confusion in doing the lowest term?
Yes, ma'am. I'm confusing.
Jan, your voice is not coming, bacha.
Hello.
Wait, give me 1 minute. Let me connect these.
Now can you hear me?
Show me. Now, Jan, please speak.
Yes, ma'am. I am telling I can't understand the pie chart that how 70 came in 105. Because
Yeah.
I am doing the same method. I am doing 105 divided by 540. It's coming 194. Then I am multiplying it with 360. Then it's coming too much, like 200.
Yes. Actually, see, wait a minute. Dhyan. See, 105 is coming.
Yes.
And the total is 540.
Yes.
105 divided by 540 Multiply by 360 degree.
Yes, ma'am, I'm doing that only, but it's coming too high in degree.
You need to learn the lowest term. So, Dhyan,
Yes.
give me 1 minute, waiter.
I'm waiting. I can't so much time.